Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Bleeding Crypto's morning. Actually, it's not a morning brief. Sorry, guys. I'm in the bad habit. It's my intro for my Discord channel. I call it the morning brief video. This is the market update. All right, let me start over, guys. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Bleeding Crypto's market update. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 9:34 a.m. local time. I hope you're having a good day, morning, or afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. Let me start off by giving you my disclaimer. Give me 1 second. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, to be used with your fantasy paper trading. All right, guys. It's been a minute. It's been a while since I've done one. And I want to say that I'm sorry, but I really am not, because I've been doing some really great things, and it couldn't be more excited, guys. As most of you guys know, I started a copy trading room. I added to my copy trading room because I did so well in the first round. In the first 3 weeks, I did extremely well on the copy trade room, and so I opened it up. I closed the room. I had to shut it down for a day. Lost my number one. I was number one copy trader on the exchange with an 81 or 82% strike rate. I lost all that because I had to close everything down to allow new people to come in. And then I restarted it back up last Friday. And then it took me a little while to get my feet wet to make sure that the amount of the huge increase in dollar amount in the purse that I'm holding, how that was going to affect the market, how that was going to affect the alts, and in playing the positions that I play. And it did really well. It did good. So I tiptoed my way in. By Sunday, by Sunday we were full swing. Boom, we were back at it. So if it was Friday and Saturday, I was dipping my toes. Sunday, back in full swing. And by Monday, I was back up as number one copy trader again. My strike rate, my win rate took a little bit of hit. I went down to 76%. But every day it'll get better as we have more and more wins coming in. So it's really exciting, guys. It's a privilege, and it's also a way to validate myself, because how many of your influencers that you follow that have hundreds of thousands of followers that tell you how great they are, how they buy the tops, how they sell the bottom? Who holds them accountable? How do you know? Do you get to actually see their exchange? Do you get to see exactly how well they do? No, you don't. In copy trading, it's completely out in the open. I can't lie. Every trade I take on my members, they hold their money. They don't send it to me. It's on their exchange. They get to see exactly what position I take, when I open, when I close, how much money, everything, the ROI, the amount of trades. Have I taken losses? Have I taken wins? Everything. It's out in the open, 100% transparent. And it makes sense. It made sense why most people don't do this. How can you tell people what they want to hear without being accountable? Yeah, just show a couple of charts, a couple of P&Ls. That doesn't mean anything. It's the consistent. And I say consistent, and I've earned the right to brag about this, because since I've been in the copy trade, everyone gets to see my performance. 8 trades, 12 trades. The other day we had 24 trades. 1 loss, less than 1%, and 3 break-evens out of 24 trades. That was all winners. And this is on a daily basis. Every day, hitting in, hitting out, hitting in. And it's just been incredible to be able to show people what I'm capable of doing. Not just come on here and tell you, okay, it's going to hit here, it's going to hit here, it's going to hit there. No. Show you that I'm actually taking those trades. I'm actually making money on those trades. And I'm making my copy traders a ton of money. You don't believe me? Just go to the exchange and watch. Go look me up. Look how much money I'm making them. It's right there for everybody to see. I'm number one P&L trader. Number one P&L trader. For a fucking reason. For a reason. So it's extremely, I'm so happy. I am going to now let you know that I'm opening up a second room. I'm going to make a video, very specific instructions on what you need to do to qualify for that second room. So, and it's incredible how many people are going to miss out. How many? Because they cannot follow fucking instructions. On Friday, there was a good, I want to say 35, 40 people that got left out because they couldn't follow simple fucking instructions. So I'm going to open the new copy room December 1st. And I'm not going to go crazy helping people at the last minute who roll in because they waited to literally the last fucking minute. Fuck you. I'm not going to do that. I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that because the room is going to be limited amount. So there's going to be about 300 seats available and there's going to be like 700 people who are going to want to get in. So guess what? I don't need you. I don't fucking need you. I'll replace it with somebody smarter than you. I'll replace your seat. So if you're smart enough to follow the rules, you'll be able to have the privilege of getting a seat because my performance speaks for itself. All right, so let's get on with the market update video. The last time we talked, I had given you a very specific route that I thought the market was going to go there. Now, that specific route, I also explained it to you in great detail so it can make sense. So it wasn't just me showing off, showing you, okay, it's going here, it's going to go, it's going here. Like, oh, come on, BC, how are you going to know that? Well, once again, allow me the bragging rights to validate myself. Not just come in here and tell you this and tell you that, but there's no accountability. Remember this? And you guys can go back to the videos and everything's on my timeline. Nothing gets deleted. So it's not like you can't fact check me. It's not like you can't fact check me. Look, I'm going to go ahead and erase. I did this with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this. Okay. This is no longer valid. We broke above it. So I'm just going to remove that for now. Okay. This is what I want you to see. Remember we talked about coming to here? Remember that? I told you there's the DCT liquidation was right here, but there's also a fib that I like. So, give me a little bit of a margin. Well, look, this is the margin right here. This little thing. I call it here. Oh man, I'm so horrible. It came to here. Oh my God, how can anybody follow me in a copy trade? How is it that I'm making anybody money with this horrible strike rate? Now, watch this. What did I tell you? From here, we were going here. Look. And then from here, we were going where? Right there. Well, follow it. Like, guys, you can't expect it to go exactly on these lines. So again, you have to give me some leeway. I can't predict that, but I can tell you where it's going to go. And here's the thing. Doing this line here, it's showing you that I'm in a hurry. But you know what the market says? I'm going to take my fucking sweet time, BC. You wanted it to happen here in Friday? Well, guess what? We're going to wait till Sunday. Fuck you. You're going to have to wait 2 days until we are ready. You think this is going to come back down here on Saturday? Well, guess what, BC? We did it on Monday. We said, nope, we're going to wait till Monday to do exactly where you said it was going to go. Then, yeah, we'll push it up right away to exactly where you said you were going to go. And as a matter of fact, BC, what if they want to check you? What if they want to fact you? What do they have to do? Well, they have to go to my fucking timeline, you pricks, and go see how I told you. But here's the thing. If you're smart, you wouldn't focus on the fact that I was fucking right. You will focus on how, why, how did he know? What made him think that? That's the value of it. The value is understanding why. Because if you ask those questions, you know what happens? You end up paying me $100 a month to teach you that. And that's what this is all about. Every one of these videos is I told you guys that before, is a hook. A hook to pay me. Anything that involves BC involves you having to pay me. But here's the thing. You don't pay me for nothing. You pay me for great content and value. Or you can just sit here like a fucking peasant, pour your whole life, listen to the free videos. You should be able to capture something. You should be able to capture something. I mean, there's enough information for you here to be able to at least come up with some sort of trading plan. And then one day, when the little bit that you picked up from here starts making sense, you're going to pay me. You're going to pay me. You're going to pay me sooner or fucking later. Because that's my brand. That's what I work for. I work for my brand and my validation. Because it took me years of losing a shit ton of money to get where I'm at. And now I reap the benefits. I reap the benefits from every avenue. I charge for my Discord. I charge for my Telegram. I charge for everything. I take commissions from the copy. Everything that I can possibly grab a hold of your money, I'm doing it. But it's just a portion, just a taste. Just a taste. I'm not greedy. A small portion. But I'm going to fucking take it. You better believe it or not. And if you don't like that, don't fucking follow me. I don't give a fuck. All right. So what was next? After we back test this here, we should be coming down to here to major support. Why? Because we talked about the 7 month of major support. Well, guess what? We're almost there. Okay, yeah, BC, you're so fucking horrible. You said we were going to go down to here, which is the bottom here. This does extend down, by the way, just so you know. Here, when I say here, guys, the price point is irrelevant. Because this price point here is 65,657. This price point now dropped. Wait a minute. Yeah, no, 65,684. It dropped about $100. Because the bottom of the top of the channel is is my target. So as more time goes by, this gets lower and lower. But yeah, how horrible, right, guys? We made it to 65,829, and I said, and it has to come down to 65,5. I'm just horrible. Find somebody who can catch the exact penny because I'm not worthy. Hey guys, there's still time. There is still time. And once again, guys, it's not about being right so much as what type of value can you get out of it. I give you a list of traders that I followed that gives value, that improves your skill set. And they're much, much nicer than me. They're 100% certified, professional, well-mannered, well-behaved professional traders. They are. Paul, Stefan, Nebraska, Income Sharks, Daily Crypto, Trader, none of those guys. None of those guys will ever yell at you. None of those guys will ever call you a peasant. None of the guys call you idiots, pricks, nothing. Follow them. They have just as great of accuracy as I do. I just tell the story a bit differently. Why? That's just my personality. I fucking love what I do. I run down the stairs of my home every day at 4 o'clock in the morning. I sign in a couple of minutes after 4 o'clock every single fucking day. And all my groups that are hearing me, they can say, yep, he's not lying. And every night between 8 and 9 o'clock at night, I'm signing out. And in between 8 and 9 o'clock at night and 4 o'clock in the morning, I am active, making money all fucking day and night. Because I earned the right to do that by putting in the time. And now it's a win-win for everyone. So you're going to wait for the video that's going to come out. I'm going to make a separate video. I think I'll make it today. Yeah, I'll make it today. I'll make it today. The new video with the new rules on how to participate, because it's going to be tough. It's going to be limited seats, and I'm only going to onboard a limited amount of people per day. Only 10 people per day I'm going to onboard. So if you make it, if you're the first ones to sign up, you get a chance. But I don't care how many I have after that. I'm not doing more than 10 a day. You guys, there's going to be a lot of people left out. A lot of people. Because I'm not going to kill myself like I did last time, onboarding 63 people at the last minute, at the last day. Last 12 hours to go? Fuck that. What for? I don't need to anymore. I just don't need to. You're not that important to me. So only 10 people per day. If you make the cut, fuck it. You make the cut. Because you know what? There's not going to be a third room. There'll only always be 2 rooms. And you are going to kick yourself in the fucking ass knowing that when you see all the P&L, you see everybody doubling their portfolio, tripling their portfolio, you'll be like, fuck, please, BC, please, I need it. I don't give a fuck if you need it. I don't care. You should have listened up. And those that don't listen up and don't make it, that means you were too stupid. That means somebody smarter than you took your seat. Just like with trading. Every time I lose in a trade, someone smarter than me took it. They took it. That's what it is. So if you're not smart enough to go grab your fucking seat, guess what? You don't deserve it. You don't deserve to have the seat. You don't deserve to have money. You deserve to be exactly where you're fucking at. That's your place in life. So hopefully you're smart, but I know there's gonna be a lot that are not, because you can't believe the type of questions I get and the stupidity, the level of fucking stupidity in Twitter. It's insane. Insane. Anyhow, all right, so I'm still thinking we're going to go to the bottom here because this is too strong of a channel not to back test it. But remember, we also have a lot of things here for support. We have that neckline from the M top back in July. We have the 382 higher low, and we can go all the way to 64.175, which is again within the continuation rule of the higher low of the daily time frame, that can give us that beautiful rubber band effect to push us even higher. So coming down here, the more we come down here, the better it is for the bulls. The more we come down, the more we can stretch that rubber band a little bit more. Okay, let it go. Boom. That is what you're looking for. If you're a bull, you need it. You need that to come down more. If you're a bull, if you're a bear, I can't help you. I can't fucking help you. I can't help you. We already invalidated the bear case, and I was clear for months what it was going to take, and the bulls did everything they needed to do to invalidate everything that I had said. They did it. Now, what they have to do, they have to come down and put a higher low, and look what they're doing. Exactly fucking that, and in the exact same fucking route that I said they were going to do it. Do I have a crystal ball? No. And I told you where I got this. This wasn't me. I copied this. Remember, I am a born cheater. I will always find the easiest way to do something. And the easiest way to do this is just to copy it and claim that it's yours. That's what I did. I copied this and claimed that it was mine. And you can do it too. And I've shown you so many times. Look, I'll show it to you again. No, excuse me. I'll show it to you again. It's all right here. It's all right there. Every fucking move is the exact same fucking thing. Every move up and down looks exactly the same thing. So I take the lines from here, then I copy, I move it over, I clone it, I put it on there, and boom, oh my God, BC is so smart. Fuck, he called it exactly. Well done. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, fuck, I'm that good. Yeah, that's right. That's me. That ain't me. I'm a fucking wetback that has no fucking business degree. No, I didn't go to school for business or for trading or for math. None of that. None of that. So what do? I fake it. I have to fake it, right? They say you fake it to make it. That's exactly what I'm doing. I am faking my way to the fucking top. Being a top trader on WeX, that's me. I'm faking my way all the way up. But thank God I was smart enough when I was a young kid to learn how to cheat as well as I did. And know where to find the answers. This is you sneaking in the afternoon when everybody's at recess or going, and you sneak into the teacher's desk. I'm sneaking in and watching and looking at the tests before it happens. Before it plays out, I'm learning the answers, memorizing the answers, because I already know what's going to come. I already know the questions. They're going to be asked again and again, and I'm going to copy those answers. If I can do it, you can do it too. But you know what you lack from me? The difference between me and you know what you lack? You lack the desire. You lack the will. You lack the mental fortitude to take rejection and losses. Because that's what's keeping you from doing what I do. Is all of that experience that you have, you don't know how to put it aside. You don't know how to bottle it up. You don't know how to express it. You don't know how to release it. I learned how to do that by hitting rock bottom many times, picking myself up time and time again, and dedicating every waking moment I could possibly spare to learning how to cheat better. And I opened up a Discord, and I teach people every single day, 7 days a week. I gave away 30 seats this last round, and they're in week 1. And in another week and a half, whoever converts, because I usually get a really high conversion rate. Once they're in, after 2 weeks, they're like, oh fuck that, I'll pay. It's worth every fucking penny. It is worth every penny. And the ones that don't, they leave. I open up new round of seats to new people coming in. So hopefully you guys will make that cut. Those are my alerts, guys. I'm gonna go. I've got trades to take. I've got confirmations that are happening right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. But this is still in play. Let's see. Let's see tomorrow where we're at. Let's see if tomorrow we finish this or by the end of the week. I don't know when. The market maker don't listen to me as far as when I want it. It's when they want it. But let's see. Let's continue to. I've been spot on in every single Let's see if anything changes. I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, guys. Everyone have a good day.